Just watch me shine. Just watch me shine. I ain't hiding in the light.
Manalangin tayo sa ating ang Diyos sa langit para sa pagkagan, mapagdaman natin ang magpusunong kaimanan at kasutulungan. At tutugon, Ama, mapa sa amin nawa ang kaharian.
Ama, ako sa amin nawa ang kaharian.
Para sa ating Santo Papa Francisco, sa ating obispo, at sa lahat ng kapalitan, naway gabayan sila ng banal na Espiritu sa araw-araw, bumubuong katapatan nilang gawin ang kanilang tungkulin sa inyo at sa sambayan. Manalangin tayo sa Panginoon.
Ama, mapa sa amin nawa ang kaharian.
Para sa mag-aaral, naway maunawaan nila ang kanilang mga responsibilidad bilang mga kabataang may adhikain at kagusay sa pamamagitan ng pagdahak sa pagkagawa ng kabutihan at ng pagsunod ng may kakapal na pananagutan. Manalangin tayo sa Panginoon.
Ama, mapa sa amin nawa ang kaharian.
Para sa mga kabataan, huwag nawang maglagay sa malinlagtas at maging malakas sa mga pinakaharap na pagsubok at pagbubuti. Manalangin tayo sa Panginoon.
Ama, mapa sa amin nawa ang kaharian.
Para sa mga
Julia Main L. Borja with highest honors. Outstanding Service Award, Mathematics Club. Top 3 gold medalists in national competition in numerical ability. Second runner-up, UP Diliman National Case Study Competition. Excellence Award in SIP project in the field of water resources management. Radsmay B. Buglao with high honors. Top 6 silver medalists in national competitions in numerical ability.
Mula sa isa sa mga bag-aaral na may pinakamataas na karangalan ng baitang sampo, tinatawagan po sa entablado si Julia Main L. Borja.
To honored guests, esteemed faculty members, beloved family and friends, and fellow completers, a wonderful day to you all. I am Julia May Letan Borja, and I am honored for this opportunity to speak in front of you today. You might know me from the clubs I've joined, as a classmate, a rival, a friend, or you just met me at today's speaker at all. Our time in school was short as we graduated from elementary batch 2020. 2024 seems so far ahead. Yet, here we are. 4 years went with a blink of an eye. 4 years ago, none of us expected to spend half our junior high years online. The virus struck, and we became the pandemic batch who never got to experience what it was like to be a freshman in Quezon High. 2 years of countless what-ifs down the drain. 2 years of facing blank workbooks and quiet screens. 2 years of what could have been. 2 years less of that high school experience. However, we can't really say we haven't learned a thing. For without those 2 years, you wouldn't be the person you are today. Let's look back. January 2020, we chose to be in this school. We were given 8 choices of programs to spend the next 4 years together. Whether you chose to be the researchers in SPE, the journalists of SPJ, varsities of SPS, artists of SPA, multilinguals of SPFLK, and especially the ambitious learners of BEP, SNED, and Open High. No matter which program you chose to be in, we all went through the same 4 years in the same uniform, wandering the same campus in the same school. That was one of the first of many decisions we had to make. As we go on through our journey, we'll face more challenges. However, this time, let's not be afraid. To any of you hesitant to face what's ahead, I hope you have the courage to face these challenges, to be the kind of person that takes the risks, to be the kind of person who leads with their heart and shows up in their life with dedication to learning, growing, and enjoying the moments. I hope you don't be afraid of failing. When you trip, stand back up. You only fail when you gave up trying. Just because you're struggling, it does not mean you're failing. I hope you chase. Chase every opportunity, not waiting for chances to come to you, but instead, go out and seize them yourself. We must take initiative and pursue our goals with determination, never hesitating to step forward and make things happen on our own. We don't want to look back in a few years and think of what could have been. If we wait, we might end up waiting a lifetime. Finally, as cliche as it may seem, I hope you enjoy. YOLO. You only live once. We'll never have the privilege to be 16 again. Enjoying life's little things, stressing about the littlest matters. We'll never be at our age again, walking down the stage and finally grow as a person. We lived through these junior high school years once. As bittersweet as it was, we can never turn back time. I hope you see those hell weeks as a unique experience, those sleepless nights as lessons. I hope you look through those hot school days with joy, thinking back through all the memories we made with those we love. The memories we will cherish for a lifetime. Since we didn't know we were making memories, we just knew we were having fun. Leave those issues behind, approach everything as a happy moment that became part of our growth high school experience. Let's cherish the values Quezon High has brought upon us. The experience of being a Quezon Higher, the lessons we learned, and especially the friends, family, and school community who became our pillars of support. When you leave these gates and go on your different journeys for the last 2 years of senior high, take that opportunity to make the most out of yourself. After all, we measure our value on ourselves, not where we study, nor on how high or how low our scores are, and most especially, not on the amount of medals on our neck. Medals may shine and sparkle, but they are only symbols. Nothing in this room shines brighter than every single one of us here. Our future is bright. You who strives paves the way for it to shine even brighter. No matter the different roads we'll soon take, I'm sure it will lead us to become the person we've always been dreaming of being. Ma, Pa, thank you for all the support you've given me throughout these years. I will always be thankful for my parents who raised me to be able to stand tall and pursue my dreams. Despite being kasawan most of the time, thank you for never giving up on me. Thank you to my #1 supporter, and thank you po as I wouldn't be standing here without you. Thank you most especially to my papa, who strived hard, despite all the instances, just to be present on this momentous occasion of my life today. Thank you, Ma, Pa, this is all for you. Pandemic pandemic babies, after 4 years, will no longer be facing our peers online. Instead, we're here, walking down the stage. We finally got the recognition and moving up we deserve. Congratulations and good luck to Batch 2024. Peace be with you all.
Congrats and thank you so much, Julia. Success is really maybe a series of trying stages.
I love itineraries.
The field of bacteriology. Second place, Division Science Investigatory Project Competition, Life Science. Aliyah Kate V. Veredo with high honors. Jermaine L. Borja with highest honors. Outstanding performance in mathematics. Outstanding performance in science. Service Award, Mathematics Club. Top 3 gold medalists in national competition in numerical ability. Second runner-up, UP Diliman National Case Study Competition. Excellence Award in SIP project in the field of water resources management. Radsmay V. Buglao with high honors. Top 6 silver medalists in national competitions in
Neron Kirby L. Ako. Short film Junior High School UP Tagisan 38 with high honor.
Seth Castor Camba Garcia with high honors. Third place, Division Robotics Tournament Somobon Competition.
Surprise ka. Akala ko nasa baggage ka pa. Doon ako nakatingin. Dito, hello pa, hello pa. Hello pa. Nice to meet you po. Picture.
Aram Louis Zilliamain L. Borja with highest honors. Outstanding performance in mathematics. Outstanding performance in science. Service Award, Mathematics Club. Top 3 gold medalists in national competition in numerical ability. Second runner-up, UP Diliman National Case Study Competition. Excellence Award in SIP project in the field of water resources management. Radsmay B.
Sa lahat ng mag-aaral, pagbati. Nawa ay lalong magbunga ng tagumpay ang inyong mga pagsisikap. At upang magbigay ng mensahe at magbahagi ng inspirasyon mula sa isa sa mga bagay
Hi.
na mahalaga ng mensahe. Palulong na luwagan ang punong kabayan ng pagkakasamo.
Ano pong feeling? Anong pong feeling? Bakit ka umiyak sa harap ng 7,000 people? Akala mo maganda ka umiyak. Akala mo maganda ka umiyak.
Good afternoon, everyone. It is my honor and privilege to introduce to you our guest speaker for the 9th edition of our competition ride.
Wala akong shout out.
Our guest speaker graduated as the honorable mention.
Sa lahat ng mag-aaral, pagbati. Nawa ay lalong magbunga ng tagumpay ang inyong mga pagsisikap. At upang magbigay ng mensahe at magbahagi ng inspirasyon mula sa isa sa mga bagay
bag, saka itong ano, Papa. Wala na naman yung babae mo, oh,
Republika ng Pilipinas.
Ako'y nangangako at nananalig
Ako ay nangangako at nananalig
na sa bawat hakbang na aking gagawin
sa bawat hakbang na aking gagawin.
Sa walang sawang pagkalinga at pagtuturo sa amin. Lahat ng ito,
Paniniwala sa paniniwala na dapat makipag-unahan sa karera. Kung wala namang karera, dahan-dahan, tahan lang. Kakayanin, umpisa pa lang. As I said from the start, it is not always about reaching the finish line. Okay, now let's all please be seated.
again, place all of your parents sa your chairs and repeat after me. My beloved parent, maraming salamat po sa inyong mga sakripisyo at pagmamahal. I appreciate everything you've done for me. I love you. Okay, now let's all